Are you looking for the best golf rangefinders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best golf rangefinders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ACPOTEL PF2L Rangefinder. The ACPOTEL PF2L Rangefinder is a versatile and budget-friendly device designed for both golfers and disc golf enthusiasts. It features a convenient magnetic mount that easily attaches to golf carts or metal surfaces, making it accessible during play. The rangefinder offers slope compensation, which adjusts distance measurements based on elevation changes, providing more accurate readings on hilly courses. Users can switch between feet, yards, and meters according to their preference. It also includes a scanning mode for continuous distance measurement, useful for tracking moving targets or surveying the terrain. The fast flag lock feature comes with vibration feedback to confirm when the device has successfully locked onto the flagpole, ensuring confidence in distance readings. With a measuring range of up to 1,000 yards and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 yards, the PF2L meets the needs of casual and competitive players alike. The device is user-friendly, with an easy-to-read LCD display and a rechargeable battery via USB-C for convenience. Priced affordably, it offers a comprehensive set of features often found in more expensive models, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious golfers who want reliable performance without sacrificing quality. Some users have noted that accuracy may vary slightly over longer distances and that the LCD display isn't as high resolution as premium models, but overall, the ACPOTEL PF2L delivers great value and practical functionality on the course. Number 2. Gogogo Sport Vpro GS24. The Gogogo Sport Vpro GS24 is a versatile and affordable laser rangefinder designed for both golf and hunting enthusiasts. It offers an extended measuring range of up to 1,200 yards with a high-precision flagpole locking feature that provides vibration feedback to confirm accurate targeting. The device includes slope mode to adjust distance measurements based on elevation changes, ensuring more accurate readings on uneven terrain. Its continuous scan mode allows for constant distance tracking, which is particularly useful for moving targets. The GS24 features 7x magnification, providing a clear and detailed view of the target area. Powered by standard AAA batteries, it boasts a user-friendly interface and an ergonomic, compact design for comfortable handling. With a typical accuracy of plus or minus 1 yard and a quick flag lock response time of under half a second, it offers reliable performance suitable for both casual and serious users. While the slope mode makes it unsuitable for tournament play, its comprehensive feature set and affordable price make it a popular choice for those seeking quality without a premium price tag. The Gogogo Sport Vpro GS24 is widely available online, including on Amazon and the official Gogogo Sport website, often with promotional discounts. Number 3. Bluetooth Golf Series 3 Max Plus. The Bluetooth Golf Series 3 Max Plus laser rangefinder is a premium, high-precision device designed to elevate your golf game. As the latest iteration of the best-selling S3 line, the Max Plus features improved software, enhanced electronics, and an ergonomic design powered by new rechargeable battery technology. It boasts a 6x magnification and an ultra-clear display that adapts automatically to lighting conditions, switching text colors between red and black for optimal visibility. The rangefinder offers precise target locking up to 1,000 yards with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 yard, confirmed through its innovative flag lock vibration pulses that ensure you've locked onto the correct target. A standout feature is the adaptive slope switch, which uses continuous arc technology to measure true distances on inclines or declines, easily toggled off to maintain tournament legality. Built for durability, the Series 3 Max Plus includes a built-in strong magnetic strip for quick attachment to golf carts, clubs, or any metal surface, and its water-resistant casing makes it reliable in all weather conditions. The package includes a weatherproof carrying case, microfiber cleaning cloth, lanyard, USB-C charging cable, and additional accessories, all backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee, making it a must-have golf accessory for serious players. Number 4. AOFAR GX2S Rangefinder. The AOFAR Golf Rangefinder is a precise and lightweight device designed for golfers seeking accuracy and convenience on the course. It measures distances from 5 to 600 yards, with specific ranges of up to 285 yards to a flag and 415 yards to trees, featuring a high-definition 6x magnification and a clear LCD display for fast and accurate readings with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 yard. The rangefinder includes slope switch technology that allows you to toggle slope and angle measurements on or off, making it legal for golf tournaments. Its advanced flag lock technology uses vibration feedback to confirm when the device has locked onto the flagpole, ensuring precise distance measurement. The device is compact and lightweight, measuring 121 by 72 by 43 mm and weighing just 180 grams, with a durable, waterproof, and dust-resistant body featuring a unique starry paint pattern and non-slip rubber design for a comfortable grip. The package includes full accessories such as a carrying pouch, CR2 battery, portable rope, carabiner, cleaning cloth, and user manual, backed by a 2-year VIP warranty and lifetime customer support, making it a reliable and convenient choice for golfers of all levels. Number 5. Callaway Golf 300 Pro. The Callaway Golf Laser Rangefinder is a precise and reliable tool designed to enhance your golf game by providing accurate distance measurements. Equipped with 6x magnification, it measures distances from 5 to 1,000 yards with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 yard and supports measurements in both yards and meters. The device features advanced slope measurement technology that accounts for elevation changes by calculating the angle of incline or decline, delivering slope-adjusted distances to help you make better club selections. Its pin acquisition technology, PAT, allows you to lock onto a pin up to 300 yards away with ease, and a pulse confirmation feature provides a short vibrating burst to confirm that the laser has successfully locked onto the target. Available in either the original or 2021 model with different color options, the Callaway Rangefinder is a trusted choice for golfers looking for precision and ease of use, although batteries are not included.